we will be setting up Lazyscript in our Kali Linux. Link is in the description. Copy the URL. And open terminal and type command git clone and paste the URL. After cloning, type commands cd lscript, then chmod plus x install.sh, then sudo./install.sh. Now open new terminal and type command sudo su. Type your password and type L to launch the Lazyscript. The Lazyscript is launch. You can launch the tool by typing L only. So this much for this video. If like the video, thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel.